Hi, my name is Maisie Golding-Kokoza. I was a student at Kent from 2013 to 2016 for my undergraduate and 2017 to 2020 for my postgraduate degree. I think the good thing about the scheme is it's so engaging and everything you do outside of your degree basically pretty much counts, that is co-curricular and enhancing your employability. Which I just loved as a student, because I was one of those students who just wanted to get involved in everything and make the most of university life. So I had some jobs while I was studying. So I did some part-time jobs which earned me great EP points. It actually was Matt on the Employability Points scheme that was able to refer me to Job Shop to get me a part-time job in what I was studying in marketing, and several film opportunities as well, freelance film opportunities that came up through Job Shop. I think what I loved about EP was it was such an incentive to just keep documenting my employability. And actually the biggest thing for me that came out of the scheme was by the end of my 8 years, I had a record of everything I'd done at university, which I don't think people realise is basically your job application. So you can go through and pick what you've got going on and what you've done and create a stellar job application. And you can write actually just a line, I have this many EP points through our employability program, is really attractive to employers. So the internship experience that I managed to get before the EP rewards came around was the Leonard Cheshire Change 100 internship, in which you have to write a lot about what you're doing towards your employability to be considered for the program. It's still quite a competitive program. And so having having MyFolio to open against the application form for it was just like, okay, I can write about that. Okay, I've done that. And then going, I've got this many employability points through doing these activities, was something that Leonard Cheshire found really exciting and came up a lot in my interview. So now I'm 4 years on from graduating, and I look back over my university experience. The one thing I think that was the most important thing I learned was self-reflection. And I really think I would not have learned that skill and that ability to dive deep into your strengths, weaknesses, and how you want to improve your skill set and how you approach life, and especially your working life. I would not have gained that skill if it wasn't for schemes like employability points, because the whole scheme is about you keeping a journal of your employability activities and reflecting on why that makes you employable, or how that has sort of aided your professional development. It's self-reflection, not in just, oh, I wrote a budget sheet today and it's really made me good at maths. It's more of like the holistic way you look at your experiences. So for example, when I was writing about my society experience on the folio, I would write, I'm running a university group, and I'm communicating with people, I'm learning how to budget, I'm learning how to run a project, I'm working to deadlines. And it was looking at how that one experience was gaining you the skills, and without reflecting on it, you wouldn't know. So I think just having this scheme where it's built into the makeup of it makes it so easy to learn, and also great to carry forward into your professional career. And that is such a great skill to have. And I think it's made me a better professional, because I'm still using that skill every day. And every year I'm thinking about, how to take sort of audit, if you like, of what I've currently worked on and where I've got to in my professional career and where I want to go to again. And I don't think that would have ever happened without participating in things like EP, because I've just had that skill built into me from the age of 19, which is great. And it's really enhanced my professional career and where I still want to go. So I think that was one of the most valuable things, definitely.